Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sofie and in today's video I'm going to show you some Dynasty outfits. I recreated some outfits from the past seasons and I hope you like it. Let's go! So the first outfit I recreated is the green dress Fallon is wearing in season 3. I have no clue which season, but I have a similar one in my closet, so I'm going to recreate that outfit. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? The next one is Kirby, and I think her style is a little bit more playful and I really love that about Kirby. So let's take a look at the outfits I recreated. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Alexis. She's not your average mom. I honestly like her style, but it's like sometimes a little bit too much. But it looked so cool on her. I keep on searching for the missing pieces, try to find the reason why I ended up without you, baby. This one is also one of my favorite looks from Alexis. It's maybe the more normal look, more like businesswoman chic. I'm turning every stone like a detective. What's your objective? I guess I'm addicted. I need to know why you rejected me. But now let's talk about Crystal, because her style is kind of boring. I think Crystal's style is more like sometimes all the way and sometimes just very casual, sporty, and I really like her trench coats though. I think they're super cute. This is my thrifted trench coat and I love it. It's a little bit too big, but I totally don't mind. And yeah, but she does wear a lot of blazer dresses. Without you, baby, I got about a million leads to find the answer why you. The last outfit is very special because it's from the Bachelorette trip and it's the outfit from Fallon. I really loved this look because it's so fun and girly and it gives me like early 2000s vibes, and she's wearing the Buffalo shoes. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Okay, so I've talked way too much and I probably edited everything out, or like almost everything. So yeah, I see you again next week for another video. Bye bye! Also don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!